Stripe versus 2Checkout. Which one is better? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to compare Stripe versus 2Checkout, which is also known as Verifone, and see which one is the better payment gateway for your business. So whether you're running an e-commerce store, a subscription-based service, or a global business, choosing the right payment processor is crucial. So let's break it down and see which platform suits your needs best. So first of all, let's talk about ease of setup. Starting with ease of setup, Stripe is developer friendly and perfect for beginners that want full control over customization. On the other hand, 2Checkout is designed for businesses that don't have coding knowledge and making it easier for non-technical users to set up. After that, let's talk about global payment. If your business operates internationally, both platforms offer great coverage. Stripe is available in over 135 countries, while 2Checkout expands even further, supporting over 200 countries worldwide. Next, let's compare supported payment methods. So, when it comes to payment options, Stripe supports credit cards, digital wallets, Apple Pay, Google Pay, Alipay, and ACH bank transfers. Meanwhile, 2Checkout also accepts credit cards and local payment methods, but with the added benefit of supporting PayPal, which is a plus for more businesses. And after that, let's talk about subscription billing. So, for businesses that rely on recurring payments, Stripe offers advanced subscription models with high customization. 2Checkout supports subscription billing too, but fewer customization options, which may be limiting for businesses that need more flexibility. On number 5, let's talk about API and customization. So, if you need a highly customizable payment gateway, Stripe is the clear winner. It provides a powerful API that developers can use to create custom integrations, whereas 2Checkout, on the other hand, has limited customization options, making it less flexible for businesses that require advanced payment workflows. Next, let's compare security and fraud protection. So, both platforms offer fraud protection, but Stripe's fraud detection tools are more advanced compared to 2Checkout's basic fraud detection. If security is a top priority, Stripe has stronger fraud detection system in place. Next, let's compare payout speed. So when it comes to receiving payments, Stripe processes payment in 2 to 3 business days, while 2Checkout can take up to 7 business days. This means Stripe is a better option if you need faster access to your funds. Then let's compare pricing and transaction fees. So one of the most important factors is transaction fees. So Stripe charges 2.9% plus 30% per transaction. On the other hand, 2Checkout charges 3.5% per transaction, which is higher than Stripe. So Stripe offers more competitive pricing, especially for businesses processing high volumes of transaction. Last but not the least, let's talk about customer support. Stripe provides 24/7 support via live chat, email, and phone, whereas 2Checkout offers ticket-based support with limited live chat options. So if you need immediate support, Stripe is a better choice. Both Stripe and 2Checkout are solid payment gateways, but they cater to different types of businesses. You can choose Stripe if you need advanced customization and API access. You require faster payouts up to 2 to 3 business days. You want lower transaction fees, or you need stronger fraud protection. And you can choose 2Checkout if you need a payment processor in more countries, that is 200 plus supported. You want PayPal integration included. You prefer a simple setup without coding knowledge. Overall, I think Stripe is the best option for businesses looking for flexibility, lower fees, and faster payments, while 2Checkout is great for global businesses that need a no-code solution with PayPal support. So what do you think? Which one would you choose for business? Let me know in the comments below, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more business and tech comparisons. I'll see you in the next video.